Finally. Hey guys, my name is Freddy Precious. I'm a filmmaker based in Prague. I just finished my project recent challenge and damn, it's just crazy. Honestly, without you guys, I don't think I would have even had the drive to finish up. And in appreciation for that, I decided I'm going to be giving out some editing tips and some of the videos I did during this time, and also some of my sound effects because you guys really asked for that a lot. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stay tuned and yeah, bye.